Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create this vertical fin. Okay, I have already explained in another videos how to create this cooler fin 1, cooler fin 2 and cooler fin 3. All the fins are same only the thing is its length will change. Length increases according to its shape. Actually it is now circular, right? That's why I increased these shapes. Okay, in this video we will see how to create this vertical fin. Let's start. Two sketches actually. This first it requires length of 250 mm. Sorry. This should be 250 and this is 4. This is 11. This is 10 radius. I will coincide these two. This one also 4 mm. Now I'll coincide this line, coincide with it. Okay, this is the first sketch. Just I will mirror this sketch. I will mirror this sketch. Okay, I have to delete this middle one. Okay, now exit this sketch and just insert one body and a thickness of 4 mm. Sorry, not this thickness, this one. And we need one more sketch. You can download this part as well, whole assembly. I will give it is in description. You can download from there if you find difficulty to create this part. This is 225. This is 12 mm. use allow symmetry line. This is 2.1 mm radius. Okay, and this is 4 radius. Here we'll give 3 or 3.5. Allow symmetry line. And we need to constrain this as well. Construction, and this change it to constructing element. Change these two as well. Delete these two elements as well. Okay. Exit this sketch, and here you need to create a similar, it requires one more body. Cut and paste here. Okay, here it requires now we can give back to this with mirroring element. Okay, now we will give pattern to this shape. Select instances, 17 instances with length 28 mm, and reference element I will give Z direction, reverse. Okay, this will be finished almost. Here I will show you one important draft command. So generally we will use normal draft. Here I will show you how to create a draft on both sides. We will see whether it will work or not. Okay, I will show you an important command now. Okay, that is draft on both sides. Tools, advances, draft on both sides. Okay, here you need to change neutral element and this to independent. Okay, you need to select first, you need to select the parting element. I am selecting here the plane. Okay, now you need to select the topmost one as neutral element 1, and the second one you need to change neutral element 2, and these are the faces to draft. Okay, now we check whether it is draft on both sides will work or not. How to create a draft on both sides for this part. Okay, change it to neutral, independent, and first thing you need to select is parting element. Okay, and we need to change this direction, pulling direction. So this is here, it is shown as X, so I will take X as the pulling direction, and this is the first side, and rotate it. This is second side. Okay, now we need to select, sorry, I have selected the same, deselect it, change it, and select here second side, and we need to select the draft faces, on which faces the draft need to require. Then press OK. See, now if you see, you can observe draft on both sides. Okay, I don't want 5 degrees draft, I will change it to 2 degrees. Similarly for this part as well. Similarly for this part as well, we need to create the draft. Okay, I have deleted that pattern. Okay, tools, sorry, add, insert draft on both sides, neutral element, independent, and parting element. I will select this plane as parting element, and I will change the pull direction to X direction. Neutral element 1, neutral element 2, faces to draft. Okay, press OK. See, you can observe the draft on both sides. Okay, if you give fillet to this, now we will give pattern. Okay, reference element as Z axis, reverse direction, and add these two pod bodies. Okay, give fillet here on the edge. On the other side as well. I am using CATIA V5R21, so I will share this file. You can download this file in the description, whole assembly. I will give a link so you can download from there. Okay, thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel.